Logan, WordPress, you never mentioned you have...
Kids. Aren't they adorable?
They're not kids, they're plugins, and they've been conflicting since we left the house. Will I just stop it?
Kids, plugins. Just let them have some fun.
And when they accidentally mess up our homepage, are you gonna clean up after them?
Oh, now he's gonna tell you that his career is going nowhere because our plugins are taking up too much of his time.
They're not our plugins, they're third party, they make me nervous, and the short one never blinks.
How dare you? You know what? If you're so unhappy, maybe you should go to Wix with their perfectly integrated third-party apps. It's okay. Daddy's here. Ah! Jesus! Ah! I still love you! Ah!